do know is two young men in their early to mid-20s attended Gym Plus premises here behind me, and they left that premises shortly before 7:30 p.m. They made their way to a parked BMW X5 car, and they got into that car and drove out onto Applewood Close and made their way from Applewood Close up towards Jugback Lane. As they were approaching Jugback Lane, a lone gunman approached the side of the car and discharged at least five shots into the driver's side window of the car, fatally injuring the driver, Zachary Parker, and injuring the front seat passenger, a 25-year-old man from the Swords area as well. That man is currently in Beaumont Hospital. He's in a stable condition and will undergo surgery this afternoon, but my understanding is his injuries are not life-threatening. After the shooting, the gunman left on foot out onto Jugback Lane. At that point, we don't have a direction of travel, or if he was assisted by a getaway vehicle. The gunman is described as tall, athletic build. He was wearing a black type hoodie top with a black scarf wrapped around his face. He had a black tracksuit bottoms on him, black runners with white soles, and what is significant about him as well, he had a rucksack on his back, a lighter coloured rucksack, possibly grey, and we believe the handgun that was used in the shooting was concealed in that rucksack. My appeal is for witnesses who may have been in the Applewood area, particularly around the premises of Gym Plus, Applewood Close, Jugback Lane and the Balheary Road area of Swords, and any motorists that may have be passing that area that may have dash cam footage. If they could check it, that there may be something on it that may be of significance to us, particularly in the timeline from 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. last night. I would ask people if they can assist us to contact Swords Garda Station on 01 666 4700 or the Garda confidential line 1800 666 111. I would also like it to be borne in mind that there is a grieving family here, the Parker family. I would ask that their privacy is respected as well while they deal with the tragic death of their young son, Zachary. Thank you.
Can we ask you, this seems a very extreme act to take place, and people are concerned about ongoing organised crime, particularly in relation to the feud. Do you think this is connected to the ongoing feud, or do you think it's more likely a local issue, a contained issue?
There is nothing to suggest at this stage that it's involved in any of the major gangland feuds around the Dublin area. All the indications are at this stage that it's probably local, but again, we're at the early stages of an investigation. We're keeping all our avenues of investigation open. We don't have a specific motive in relation to this shooting.
Well, can you give any reassurance to the public, because this is a residential area, this is a gym, there's a creche here, there are children in this area?
Absolutely. I mean, this is a very quiet area, very quiet area. There is nothing to suggest that this locality is linked with this particular crime. I think it just happened to happen here because this person attended the gym. There is nothing sinister in relation to the actual area itself.
Any plans for stepping up patrols for retaliation?
Well, we will revise our patrols. You know, part of our investigation will lead us to see what the motives were behind this, and we'll adjust our policing arrangements accordingly then.
I know the victim was believed to have been known to Gardaí. The injured man, was he known, or was that just wrong place?
There's nothing to suggest that the injured man was targeted in any way. All the indications are at this stage, and from looking at the CCTV footage, all the indications will seem to be that it was the driver that was targeted.
Okay, thanks very much, guys.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.